Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Here's a tutorial on how to remove a header row from a dataset using Python, specifically using the pandas library for data manipulation. Removing the header row from a dataset can be necessary when dealing with datasets where the first row contains column names, and you want to analyze the data without including the header information. Python's pandas library offers efficient tools for data manipulation, including removing header rows. Make sure you have Python and pandas installed on your system. You can install pandas using pip if you haven't already. For demonstration purposes, let's assume we have a CSV file named data.csv with the following content. Import pandas. First, import the pandas library to use its functionalities. Load the data, use pandas to read the CSV file into a data frame. Remove header row, remove the first row, header, from the data frame using the eloc method. Optional, reset index. If you want to reset the index after removing the header row, you can use the reset_index method. Verify output. You can print the data frame to verify that the header row has been removed. Here's the complete code with all the steps. In this tutorial, you learned how to remove a header row from a dataset using Python and pandas. This technique can be useful when pre-processing data for analysis or machine learning tasks. With pandas' simplicity and flexibility, data manipulation tasks like this can be accomplished efficiently. ChatGPT